Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope y'all are doing great. I am doing okay. Today we are going to be opening up our Unity stamp for October. I haven't looked at the website to see what it is or was. We are, I know, in November, but I don't know what happened. October kind of just zoomed on by. Not only that, it was my son's birthday, and for me, I get a little bit extra stress when I'm trying to make sure that I'm doing something right for someone else. So here it is. It says October 22nd, kit of the month, change and direction. Well, heck, I was kind of hoping for something different. I don't know. I said this before. I don't think a lot of companies like to invest, not as in money, but spend time in getting Halloween things because I feel like August kit could have been a hot something Halloween, but it was like a harvest thing. So we got this cute little sticker cut out flowers, which is really cute. Some jewels, a tag, some string, glitter page, no fallout, and this beautiful green sheet. So these are all the free things you get in your kit are extras. I think for me, free means I didn't have to do anything, and here it is. I'm buying a kit, so this is a thing that, the $2 item that you pay for, I suppose. All right, so they are huge. The images are pretty big. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 stamps in this kit. Here is the information that you get. It says Kit of the Month members enjoy $6, well, $6.95 off your Unity orders all month long. Just add $40 or more and you'll get the discount. Right now, at the time of the video, they are having their like Brown Friday, Black Friday sale. So you can look into that and see what you get. Free gift every month. So they do have a gift. And they also have when you buy a certain amount of things, certain things pop into your cart for free, which is cool. And as a member, you will have the opportunity to purchase old kits for $26. Now, I'm not sure how true this is because they did say they were increasing their prices, but I'm not sure if this is grandfathered in for hit of the month people or not, and it may still be the same. So we have sometimes change can bring direction. You have this like letter that's been scratched out or wood piece, but there's definitely some type of writing underneath that. This situation going on here. Uh-huh. You got these sprigs, this leaf, and then it says fall in love with the path, forget the destination. Now, I want to say last time they put some of the stamps together and I did not like that. So I think this is the fall in love, yeah, because it's in cursive. And then it says find the blessing in everything, and that would be this one. Then you got this other leaf, and who knows what this is, a sprig? Mm. And this wheat or dry grass. This looks like oh, let's add this in because this pumpkin looks like the pumpkin I used for August. You got some more wheat and these flowers, and then it says incredibly grateful for you. Be like the autumn leaves and whisper to the breeze. I am no longer afraid to fall. Now, these stamps are huge. Can't deny that. Mm, I don't know. It's a lot to choose from for one of the snoozes or uses for October. Anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this as much as I have. Yay. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this, or to the side, or wherever YouTube is putting it these days. Let me know what you think of this Kit of the Month for October 2022. Kit of the Month change in direction. So thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.